not let you go. But there's any space here. What are you doing, man?
Touch me again and see.
Oh, you'll touch me.
Touch me, mother.
Your mouth.
Watch your mouth. Child.
Then what are you gonna do? You're gonna jump over the
Yeah, I'm waiting right here. I don't do what the you tell me to do. Who the is you? Yeah, all right. Fuck this shit in your child. I ain't the child. I said excuse me. I tried to be fucking nice.
Yeah, it's like true. Please prepare for arrival.
Let's do it real quick, thank you. Excuse me. Just like
We're all are waiting, but well, that's not how I work. I make the rules as I go. Well, I make the rules as I go. I don't know about you, but I do.
Well, I break them.
Guess what? And I'm breaking them right now too. Excuse me.
Oh my God.
Hey, boss.
Hey, we got a hostile one back here.
Yes, we do.
He is too. He's knocking people over.
Don't be rude to me, because one thing I can do is be rude back to you. It's what I can be.
Oh. Let's just take it down.
I am, but I'm just saying, she's talking I'm hostile, but I can be rude as well. I didn't push no damn body. You want to stand in the way like you're a bodyguard.
Again, this is the final boarding call for the United Flight 2356 with servicing.
You want different headphones this time? The kind that you plug.
We need security at C10 to open this gate. You got some people trying to catch their flight. We're here early. Y'all need to come open this motherfucking gate. Security, come to motherfucking flight C10, please. Security, security.
How it comes?
Push me. Put your hands on him. Bitch.
I wasn't racist. When I said I wasn't violent, y'all still put me on the stretcher. Y'all saw me get physical with anybody on the flight. Was I physical with any of y'all? Let's go. Why the got me recording, you ugly ass bitch?